Okay, good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy. You know what you do. Meet the team all the way. Okay, guys. The time now it's I think it's half past one, 23 minutes past one. Yeah, it's Tuesday. So yeah, I just wanted to do a follow up analysis from the previous video. Okay, guys. Let me start with US30. Remember what we had on US30? The last time I checked, I think the market was somewhere here. Then we were like uh we just waiting for the market to reach this level and see what the market can do. So what happened was I didn't have this thing. I only had this. I don't want to be too long, guys. Okay, so what happened was remember we had this touch and we cloned it, waited for the market to break, but then I anticipated that the market might come and retest, and from there we pushed an upside. So instead for me to anticipate for buying opportunities, what I was waiting for, I was waiting for the market to give us something like a pin bar. This was a clear setup, you know, to give us something like a pin bar. Then of course, after getting our pin bar, we're expecting for the market to give us a bullish candlestick that will close above. I've been waiting for the market to close above this thing, to close above this area, but then the market failed to do that. Then what happened was, remember I also told you that, but then the market might give us a double top on the top side, because like we at the higher price, it's unlikely for the market to, especially USDT and Nasdaq, it's unlikely for the market to just break the structure before giving us W or M, whatever you call it, a double top, you know. So what happened was I just went in to the bottom side. I went in. I saw this thing. Check out this thing. I think I saw it here. Check out this clear setup, guys. The market came, pushed to the downside, then immediately it pushed to an upside. You know. Then from there it gave us a pin bar. So obviously after getting something like this on a key level market structure, obviously you're anticipating a reversal thingy. It's a reversal. What's this? Reversal candlestick. So we're waiting for the market to give us another maybe a bearish candlestick. Then from there we end. You know. But then what happened was the market pushed to the upside a little bit. So I was waiting for an H1 candlestick to close above, maybe this, to close above this, then maybe I can anticipate for some buying opportunities to to take, you know. What am I doing? So what happened was the market came here. Let me show you in a 5 minute time frame. Check out this pattern, guys. You should be familiar with this pattern. Check out this pattern. This is a double top. You know, this is a double top, and this is an ascending triangle type of thing. This is a divergence. You know, if you were to open an RSI, you'll see that we have something like a divergence here. So I waited for the market to close, for this candlestick to close, and see how it behaves. Immediately after this market closed, I just took an entry. I've been holding. I could have just taken my TP here, but then I saw that the market, it's bound to go to the downside, because like I feel like it respects that double top that I showed you. You know, check out this thing. This is a breakout. You know, check out this thing, guys. You should be careful of this. You should be careful. You know, and this is how I took the setup. I could have taken my TP here, but then I refused. You know, and then check out this one also. I could have taken my TP long time ago, but then I feel like the market it's expecting that double top. It's still going to the downside. We'll see how it plays out. But then I didn't want to be long here. Check out this thing here. Yes, guys. Actually, some of the things I'll reveal them later, guys. Later. I'll reveal them later. Let me just go to Nasdaq fast. I'll reveal some of the things later. Okay, check out this thing, guys. Let me update you first on this. Remember what we had the last time, what we had on Nasdaq. We had something like, okay, the market was somewhere here. Then I was like to you guys, let's wait for an H1 candlestick, and then we take an entry if it breaks above this thing. But then one thing that you should remember, I told you about this thing. I told you about this area here. This area here, there's too much liquidity, so the market is volatile, you know. So if you see the market coming with the thing, you see a market coming with an impulsive move, one thing for sure is that the market chances of it closing above this entry are high. chances of it closing above this entry. So it's better off to take this thing earlier, earlier than expected. So what made me take this entry is that I saw that these things were bullishing. So at least if we were to approach something this level with a bearish candlestick, I would have suspected something maybe like I should wait for a confirmation. But then they were still bullishing. You would say that there's still momentum here. Then we took the entry, then we took our TP. Yeah, we took our TP somewhere around here, because then we started to suspect something as soon as we see this bearish candlesticks, you know. So yeah, for today's entry, what I was able to catch here. Remember, we also anticipated something that what we can expect the market to come and give us a thing, double top and push to the downside. But then our major key, our major point of view, we're expecting the market to come at least here, then what and break above and give us a retest and push to an upside, but then it failed, you know. So I went deeper. I went here. Okay, this is where I started basically, you know, on an H1. I saw that the market broke, the market broke and closed below this thing, because like value this area there's too much liquidity, so chances of me entering in this area are high. I saw that this thing was closed below. I should have just taken my entry. I should have just taken my entry, but then I was like, no, let me just be patient, because like the market is bound to come and retest a little bit here. Then I jumped to a thingy, to a small time frame. I think a 15-minute time frame. I saw this. I think I saw something like this. I saw something. I saw a multiple of touches here to the bottom side. Then I waited for the market to come and push slightly, at least a bit up to this resistance. Then from there I took my entry. I've been holding for too long, but then I feel like the market is gonna it might respect this level, because like it's a key. The market has been respecting this level for too long, but then I'm still holding. I'm in profit. You see, check out this formation, candlestick formation. It's a double top, it's a double bottom, giving us a double bottom. So if the market break below this level, I'll definitely put some orders, but then for now I'll just take my stop loss and put it at my entry for a break even, because like I'm still waiting for a past time movement. Okay, I wanted to highlight something. Okay, this is what I wanted to highlight, guys. Check out this thing. Obviously it might have been violated, but then check out this thing, guys. Not everything is gonna be clear to you guys. Check out this thing. If there was no any violation, check out this thing. So I feel like there's a hidden shoulder. So it's a breakout. We have to wait for a retest. After retesting, this thing is bound to push it outside. So I'll update you as soon as I upload this video. Let me just pause it here. Okay guys, yeah, I'm back again, guys. Okay, so what happened, what's happening now is that guys, you'll find me on another video. I'll do another video for you. This will be our part 1 for episode 5, then I'll update another part for episode 5. Seems like this thing is rejecting, but then guys, it definitely is a guys, definitely is a it is what it is, it is what it is, it is what it is. Also here I just have to take my intent, put it above entry and see what's popping. Yeah, out of here,